The colorful kite soared high up into the azure sky, dancing on the breeze. As the kite string reeled out, Jason felt a thrill of joy and wonder at its ascent. His grandpa stood beside him, helping guide the spool, a smile on his weathered face. Though his grandpa was getting old, the two of them flying kites together made him feel young again, enjoying a pastime he had loved since his own childhood. January 14 is International Kite Day, a day celebrating the ancient art of kite flying. Kites have been popular playing things for thousands of years, made from leaves and other materials discovered in nature. Over time, kites spread around the world, with different cultures developing their own unique kite designs. The earliest known kites date to around 1000 BCE in China, where kites were made from silk and wood. Kite flying is an enjoyable recreation activity for people of all ages. It provides an opportunity to be outside, bond over a shared experience, and bring more joy and lightness to life. Kite festivals are held around the world on International Kite Day, with stunning displays of giant kites, stunt kites, kite surfing, and kite battles. There are many ways to mark International Kite Day. Fly a kite yourself at a local park or beach. Make your own kite with paper, sticks, and string. Visit a kite festival to witness creative kite designs or kite surfing. Read books about the history of kites, different kite traditions, kite records, or kite battles. Build a kite to donate to a children's charity or hospital. Watch kite battles or stunt kite events online. While technology has advanced our lives in many ways, simple pleasures like flying kites remain timeless and profoundly human. Gazing up at kite dancing on the wing, we are reminded of childhood joy and given an opportunity to daydream. Though often overlooked, kites have a long and colorful history as vehicles for recreation, creativity, science, and cultural tradition. On International Kite Day, let's take a few moments to rediscover the uplifting power of kites. January 14 is International Kite Day. Here is our painting with all your pastas for this special day, and have a wonderful International Kite Day. Cheers!